solving exercise 3.3. In that second sum we solved. Third sum first thing we solved. Today let us see what does the second sum in third main says. See the sum, let us read the sum. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degree, find them. Supplementary angles. What is meant by supplementary angles? Sum of the two angles should become 180 degree, then it is called as supplementary angle. Sum of the two angles should become 180 degree, then they are called as supplementary angles. So two angles are there. We don't know what are the two angles. So we are going to suppose. What we are going to suppose? Let the two angles be x and y. Second thing, we have to see which is the greater angle and which is the smaller angle. So what we will take? Let x be the greater angle. So naturally which will become the smaller angle? Y will become the smaller angle. Then another thing, what is given? X and y are supplementary. That means what will be the equation? Equation will be x plus y is equal to 180 degree. This is your equation number 1. Then what is said over here? See, larger exceeds the smaller. Means the larger angle is what? X. X exceeds y by how much? 18 degree. X exceeds y by 18 degree. So if you add 18 degree to x exceeds y by 18 degree, means what it does, it says that if y, suppose if y is 20 degree, to y if you add 18, it will become x. So x exceeds y by 18 means what? To y if you add 18 degree, that will become the value of x. So what will be the equation? X is equal to y plus 18 degree. This is your second equation. Now let us second equation, what shall we do? Y will, because we know that the two variables should be on the left hand side. Let us bring y on the left hand side. So we will get x minus y is equal to 18 degree. So this will be a second equation. Now what we have to do? See what we got. X plus y is equal to 180 degree. X minus y is equal to 18 degree. First equation we will take, and what shall we do? We will try to find out the value of x. So what shall we get if we take first equation? X plus y is equal to 180 degree. Therefore x is equal to 180 degree minus y. So this we got the value of x. Now what we are going to do? We are going to substitute this value of x in equation number 2. So substituting value of x in equation 2. What is an equation 2? X minus y is equal to 18 degree. So what is x value? That I will substitute over here. 180 degree minus y. Then what is there again? Minus y is equal to 18 degree. Minus y and minus y are the like terms. We can add it. So what shall we get? 180 degree minus 2y is equal to 18 degree. So 180 is a constant number. I will take it on the other side. So what shall I get? Minus 2y is equal to 18 degree minus 180 degree. So let us do the subtraction. 180 minus 18. So here it will become 10. This will become 7. 10 minus 8 is 2. 7 minus 1 is 6. 1 will remain as it is. 180 is a greater number, so this is minus and this is plus, so we will get the answer as minus 162 degree. So what we will get? Minus 2y is equal to minus 162 degree. Both the side, the signs are minus. So what happens? Minus minus sign cancels. Now what we have? 2y is equal to 162 degree. So what will be y is equal to 162 degree divided by 2. If we divide it, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. So we got it as 81 degree. Let us now substitute the value of y in this equation. What is our equation? X is equal to 180 degree minus y, that is equal to 180 degree minus 81 degree. Add 1 to this 181, you will get 181 minus 81 is 100. We have added 1 over here, so subtract 1 from 100, 1 is subtracted, you will get it as 99 degree. So what you got the value of x as 99 degree. So let us see what are the values of x. X value is 99 degree and y value. What did you get the y value? Y value is, how much you got the y value? Y value you got it as 81 degree. So now these are the two angles, that is 99 degree and 81 degree. Now we have to see that whether your answer is right or wrong. I told you, you have to do the verification. It's not compulsory, but to find out whether your answer is right or wrong, in the working column you do that. 99 then plus 81. So 9 plus 1 is 10. Carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1. So you have to get the supplementary, means 180 degree. That means the value of x and y is correct. Now what he has asked, find them, means what are the two supplementary angles. So the two supplementary angles are 99 degree and 81 degree. As this is a verbal problem, so the answer in verbal statement is needed. So what you will write it down? Two angles which are supplementary are 81 degree and 99 degree. So this will be your answer. Once again, let us see what the sum is given. See the sum, read the sum. Always in the problem sums for what to call it as linear equations, when you have to make the linear equations, the understanding the problem sum is very, very important. What is given? The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degree, find them. Supplementary, just now only I explained you. What is meant by supplementary? Sum of any two angles should become 180 degree, then they are called as supplementary. If we don't know the two angles, so we have to suppose, let the two angles be x and y. That means sum of x and y must be 180 degree. Then what he says, from the two supplementary angles, naturally one will be a larger angle and another will be a smaller angle. So let us take, let x be the greater angle. So naturally what will happen? Y will become the smaller angle, which is understood. And what? So, and what we say that x and y are supplementary, means the sum of x and y should become 180 degree. That is what we have written. X plus y is equal to 180 degree. That is your equation number 1. The larger number exceeds the smaller number by 18 degree. Which is the larger number? X. Which is the smaller number? Y. So x exceeds y by 18 degree. Means what? To y, if you add 18 degree, you will get the value of x. So x is equal to y plus 18 degree. That is the equation number 2. But remember, you have to bring the linear equation in its general form. That is, what you have to make it as, that is x and y should come on the left hand side and the constant should be on the right hand side. So that is why y is on the right hand side. So I am going to bring the variable y on left hand side. So x minus y is equal to 18 degree. That I got it as equation number 2. Now both x plus y and x minus y. So both, what is there? X is there without the coefficient. So you can't find out which is the greater x having greater coefficient or smaller coefficient. So any equation you can take. So I am going to take the first equation. What is the first equation? X plus y is equal to 18 degree. I am going to find out the value of x. So what I will get? Y I have to take on the other side. So x is equal to 180 degree minus y. I am going to substitute the value of x in equation 2. What is the equation 2? X minus y is equal to 18 degree. So in place of x, I am going to write it down this 180 degree minus y. Again minus y is there, that I have to write it. Don't forget that, many times you will forget it. So 180 degree minus y is equal to 18 degree. Okay, minus y and minus y are the like terms. You can add the like terms. So 180 degree minus 2y is equal to 18 degree. Then a 180 degree is a constant. We will take it on the other side. So what shall we get? Minus 2y is equal to 18 degree minus 180 degree. One is a positive integer, another is a negative integer. Okay, from the greater number you subtract the smaller number and keep the greater number sign. So 180 that is minus 18 is 162. 180 is greater number, so I got the answer as minus 162. Both, that is minus 2y is equal to minus 162 degree. Both the side minus sign is there. I told you as per the rule, the sign gets cancelled. 2y is equal to 162 degree. Y is equal to how much? 162 degree divided by 2. That is equal to 81 degree. Now this y value I got 81 degree. I will substitute in the, what we call it as the x, where I have written x is equal to 180 minus y. Because if I substitute the y value over here, I will get the x value. So x is equal to 180 degree minus y. That is equal to 180 degree minus 81. That is equal to 99 degree. So x is equal to 99, y is equal to 81. Check whether it is right or wrong. What you do in the working column, what is given? X plus y, you should get it as 180 degree. So 99 plus 81, you got it as 180 degree. That means your answer is correct. Now let us go to the next sum. What is the next sum given? The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,800. Later, she buys 3 bats and 5 balls at rupees 1,750. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. So you have to find out what is the cost of each bat and each ball. So we don't know the cost of each bat and each ball. Cost of 7 bats and 6 balls together is given rupees 3,800. So what shall we have to do? We have to suppose. So what shall we suppose? Let the cost of each bat be x and each ball be y. Let the cost of each bat be x and each ball be y. So we have taken cost of each bat is x and each ball is y. So how many bats is bought? 7 bats and 6 balls. So 7 bats and 6 balls. What is the cost for that? Rupees 3,800. Means 1 bat costs x. Then what is the cost of 7 bats? 7x. 1 ball cost y. What is the cost of 6 balls? 6y. So what shall you get it as? 7x plus 6y is equal to 3800. Okay. Next time what she goes, again the coach will go. She is a lady coach. She buys again 3 bats and 5 balls. And how much does she pay? Rupees 1750. So 3 bats and how much? 5 balls. What is the cost of it? Is equal to rupees is equal to 1750. So rupees 1750 she pays for 3 bats and 5 balls. So again, one bat cost is X rupees. So 3 bats will become 3X and 5 balls will become 5Y is equal to 1750. This is your equation number 1. This is your equation number 2. Now there is a coefficient for x. See in which equation the coefficient of x is small. So this equation it is small. So I will take this equation to find out the value of x. So what shall I write it down again? 3x plus 5y is equal to 1750. 3x is equal to 1750 minus 5y. X is equal to 1750 minus 5y whole divided by 3, because 3 is a, what to call it as, coefficient of x. We don't want this 3, we want only the value of x. So we shall take this 3, where we shall write it down, it will become the denominator on the right hand side. So what we got? X is equal to, so what we got the value of x? X is equal to 1750 minus 5y by 3. Now this value we are going to substitute in equation number 1. So substituting value of x in equation 1. What is the equation 1? You write it down. 7x plus 6y is equal to 3800. Now what is the value of x now? 7 in the bracket 1750. Then what is it? Minus 5y whole divided by what is there? 3 is equal to 3000 plus 6y is equal to 3800. Only the value of x we have substituted plus 6y will remain as it is equal to 3800. Now what we have to do? 7 we have to multiply with 1750 and 7 we have to multiply with 5 also. So let us multiply 1750 into 7. 7 zeros are 0, 7 5s are 35, carry 3, 7 7s are 49, plus 3 is 52, carry 5, 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, so you got it as 12,250. Once again you see 7 zeros are 0, 7 5s are 35, carry 3, 7 7s are 49, 49 plus 3 is 52, carry 5, 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, so you got it as 12,250. So 12,250 minus 7 5s are 35y whole divided by 3 is equal to 3800 plus 6y is equal to 3800. So got it up. So again, once again you see 7 into 1750, 12,250, 7 5s are 35 minus 35 plus 6y will remain as it is equal to 3800. So 12,250 minus 35y by 3 plus 6y is equal to 300. Here nothing is there, means what? 1 is there. So LCM. So what we will do it as? We will take the LCM. 3 is the LCM. So what we'll do when 1 and 3 is there, when I told you 1 comes down in a denominator and 3 is a prime number, LCM is 3, you do the cross multiplication. 12,250 minus 35 into 1 means it will remain the same. So 12,250 minus 35y, then plus 3 6 are 18y is equal to how much is given? 3800. Nothing is there means 1 is there. So what you are going to do? Cross multiply. So what shall you get? 12,250 minus, see, minus 35y is there, and what is there? Plus 6y is there. So what you have to do? You have to subtract it. So what you will do it? 35 minus plus 18. This is y. Y and y will remain same. So here 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. Here it became as 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So what you got it as? Greater number is minus. So minus 17y is equal to 3,800 into 3. Because 3 will go on the other side. We are doing the cross multiplication. So what shall we get? 12,250 minus 17y is equal to, multiply, 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 8s are 24, carry 2, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. So you got it as 11,400. Now what we are going to do? Minus 17y, keep it as it is equal to 11,400 minus 12,250. So from 12,250 we have to subtract 11,400. So 12,250, 11,400, 0, 5. So 12 minus 4 is how much? 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. Here also 0. So how much you got it as? 850. So here what shall I get it as? Minus 17y is equal to minus 850. Why? Because see, the greater number is minus sign. So what will be the y value? Y is equal to, now both side minus sign is there, means cancel. So y is equal to 850 divided by 17. 17 5s are 85, 50. So is equal to 50. So y is, you got it as 50. But now we have to find out the value of x. So what you will take? What is the x value? How got it? X is equal to 1750 minus 5y by 3. So this equation we will take. So x is equal to 1750 minus 5y divided by 3. So that is equal to, what shall you get? 1750 minus 5 into, what is your y value? 50 whole divided by 3. So what we will get? That is equal to 1750 minus 50 into 5, it is 250 whole divided by, what is there? 3. So let us see what we will get. 1750 minus, what you have to take? 250, 0, 0, 7 minus 2 is 5 and 1. So you got it as 1500 by 3. You can cancel it. 3 5s are 15, 0, 0. So x is equal to 500. That means, what is x? We have supposed it is the cost of bat. So cost of each bat is rupees 50. Y is what? Ball. So cost of each ball is rupees 50. So came to know how we did it. See, here we took first, we made the linear equation. How did we make the linear equation? See what is given. 7 bats and 6 balls together. The lady coach pays rupees 3,800. So we don't know what is the cost of bat and what is the cost of ball. So what we are going to take? Let the cost of each bat be x and each ball be y. So how many bats she buys first? 7 bags. And then how many balls? 6 balls. Together how much she pays? Rupees 3,800. For one bag, X rupees she has to pay. For 7 bags, it will become 7X. For one ball, Y rupees, means for 6 balls, it will become 6Y. So together, 7X plus 6Y is equal to 3,800. That is your equation number 1. Next, again, she goes and she buys again 3 bags and 5 balls. So it will become 3X plus 5Y is equal to 1,750. So now what you have to do, you have to choose the equation. 3x is and 7x if you compare. 3x means the coefficient of x is 3, this is less. So I will take that equation to find out the value of x. So 3x plus 5y is equal to 1,750. 3x is equal to 1,750 minus 5y. So x is equal to 1,750 minus 5y divided by 3. So now equation 1 is left out. So equation 1 is left out. So I am going to substitute the value of x in equation 1. What is that equation 1? 7x plus 6y is equal to 3,800. 7x plus 6y is equal to 3,800. So x value, what is x value? 1,750 minus 5y by 3. So 7 in the bracket, 1,750 minus 5y whole divided by 3 plus 6y is there, that you should not forget. Plus 6y is equal to 3,800. 1,750 into 7 is 12,250 minus 35y, because 7 5s are 35 whole divided by 3 plus 6y. Nothing is there, means 1 is there. So here I am going to take LCM. I told you when 3 and 1 is there, you have to do cross multiplication. So I got it as 1,250 minus 35y plus 6 into 3, 18y whole divided by 3 is equal to 3,800. Minus 35y and plus 18y, I have shown you what you will get it as minus 17y. So I wrote it as minus 17y. Now 12,250 minus 17y, 3,800 you have to multiply by 3, so I got it as 11,400. What shall I do? 12,250 I will take on the other side. So I will get minus 17y is equal to 11,400 minus 12,250. So that I showed you what we will get it as 850. The 12,250 is a greater number, so you got it as minus. Minus minus sign cancel. 17y is equal to 850. So what is y is equal to? 850 by 17. 17 5s are 85. So 50. So you got it as y is equal to 15. Let us take now x value. We have to substitute the value of y in it. So what is x is equal to? 1,750 minus 5y by 3. Then we will get it as x is equal to 1,750 minus 5y by 3. Y value is substitute. 1,750 minus 5 into 50 divided by 3. 1,750 minus 55 is 250. 1,750 minus 250 divided by 3. 1,750 I am subtracting. I got it as 1,500. 1,500 by 3, that you got it as 500. So what you got it at the last? X is equal to 500 and y is equal to 50. Means cost of each bag is equal to rupees 500. Then cost of each ball is equal to rupees 50. So verification I have told you. You now do by yourself the verification. Take any one of the equation, keep the value of x and y, you will get the same answer. So this is what the sum regarding the cricket ball, that is the ball and bat value is not given. You have found out what is the cost of each bat and you have found out what is the cost of each ball. Now let us see the fourth sum. I am going to read the fourth sum. You just listen to it. The taxi charges in a city consists of fixed charge together with a charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is rupees 105. And for a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is rupees 155. What are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for a traveling distance of 25 kilometer. What does the sum say is very important. In the cities you can see taxis are there. If you want to go anywhere you can hire a taxi and go. So in a taxi what happens? Fixed charge will be there, that for however long distance you go you have to pay the fixed charge, and then you have to pay the distance charge, that how much distance you went according to the rate. So fixed charge plus charge per kilometer you have to pay in a taxi whenever you go. So here what is given? The taxi charges in a city consist of fixed charge. So we don't know what is a fixed charge. So let the fixed charge be rupees X. Okay. Then again what it says, with charge for the distance, that is charge per kilometer. So that also will suppose, let the charge per kilometer is equal to rupees Y. So fixed charge is rupees X and charged per kilometer is rupees Y. So we have to start in that way. Solution. So what is the solution we will take? So what we are going to take? Let the fixed charge is equal to rupees X. Then what again, with the fixed charge you have to pay the charge per kilometer also. So let charge per kilometer is equal to rupees Y. Means together you have to pay. Now first sequence let us see. The for a distance of 10 kilo, if you go for a 10 kilometer in that taxi, you have to pay rupees 105. Means with the fixed charge and with what you call it as the charge. So 1 kilometer charge is rupees Y. So what will be the 10 kilometer charge? It will become 10 Y. So for a distance, so distance of 10 kilometer, cost is equal to rupees 105. So what will be your equation now? So fixed charge you have to give. What is the fixed charge? X plus. For 1 kilometer rupees Y you are going to pay. So for 10 kilometer how much? 10Y is equal to, what is the total amount you are going to pay? 105. This is your equation number 1. Now suppose you don't go 10 kilometer, you want to go to 15 kilometer you are traveling. So for 15 kilometer, fixed charge plus charge per kilometer, total amount you are going to pay rupees 155. So distance of 15 kilometer cost is equal to rupees 155. So what will happen? What will the equation will become? The equation will be X is the fixed charge, yes, plus how many kilometers you have gone? 15 kilometer. So for 1 kilometer rupees Y, then for 15 kilometer it is 15Y. So the fixed charge plus charge per kilometer is equal to 155. This is your equation number 2. There is equation number 3 also, because he asks what is the amount he has to pay for distance of 25 kilometer. So amount for distance of 25 kilometer. So that will, what the equation will be given? X you have to pay the fixed charge plus 25 kilometer. Per kilometer Y rupees is there. So for this what will happen? It will become how much? 25Y. So it is equal to X plus 25Y. So you have to find out this. So this is your third equation. But we are going to use first and second equation to calculate the value of X and Y. Then we are going to substitute in this, and then we are going to find out what is the amount he has to pay. So what is the first equation given? X plus 10Y is equal to 105. X plus 15Y is equal to 155. I will take first equation to find out the value of X. So what is the first equation over here? X plus 10Y is equal to, how much is given? 105. X I will keep it on left hand side is equal to 105 minus 10y. So I got what is the x. So I am going to substitute this x value in equation number 2. What is the equation number 2? X plus 15y is equal to 155. So substituting the value of x in equation 2. So I am going to write down what is the equation 2. X plus 15y is equal to 155. So now what shall I do over here? X value. What is x value? 105 minus 10y. So that I am going to substitute over here. So 105 minus 10y. Again what is given over here? Plus 15y will remain as it is equal to how much it is given? 155. Now minus 10y plus 15y. So what it is? One is a positive number, one is a negative number. Positive number is greater. So 15 minus 10y. So 105 plus 5y is equal to 155. So 105 will take other side. So 5y is equal to 155 minus 105. So 155 minus 105. 5 minus 5 is 0. 5, 0. So how much you got? 5y is equal to 50. Therefore, y is equal to 50 by 5. That is equal to 10. So came to know. Now this y value I will take in which equation I have to take now? I have to take this equation. Which is that equation? X is equal to 105 minus 10y. In that I am going to substitute the y value. So x is equal to 105 minus 10y. So x is equal to 105 minus 10 into 10. So is equal to 105 minus 100, that is equal to 5. That means I got x is equal to rupees 5 and y is equal to rupees 10. Means what it is? Charge. Okay, the fixed charge is, how much is the fixed charge? What we have taken the fixed charge as x. So the fixed charge is rupees 5 and charge per kilometer is how much? Rupees 10. Now it tells to find out what is the charge if it travels 25 kilometers. So we have to take this. So what we will get it as x plus 25y is equal to, what is the value of x? 5 plus, what is the 25 value of y? 10. So is equal to 5 plus 25 into 10 is how much? 250. So that is equal to 250 plus 5 is 255. So he has to pay rupees 255 if he travels how many kilometers? 25 kilometers. So you came to know how what it is. So we have to write down what you call it as the verbal answer. What is the verbal answer? You have to write down person has to pay. Person has to pay rupees 255 for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers. So came to know what it is. Once again I will explain you. So this is regarding a taxi. You know that in the cities taxis are there. You can hire the taxi. In taxi what happens? There is a fixed charge and there is a charge per kilometer. So here what we say is that fixed charge we don't know, charge per kilometer we don't know. So we are going to suppose it. Let the fixed charge be rupees x and let charge per kilometer is equal to rupees y. So if you are going to travel in a taxi for 10 kilometers, you have to pay an amount of rupees 105. In this rupees 105, charge, there is fixed charge is also there and charge per kilometer is also there. That means fixed charge plus charge per kilometer. So what we will do now, how to form the equation? Distance of 10 km costs rupees 105. So 10 km means what is charge per kilometer? Y rupees. So for 10 km it will become 10y and the fixed charge you have to give. So what will be the equation? Fixed charge plus charge per kilometer, that is equal to x plus 10y is equal to 105 is your equation number 1. If you, in the same taxi, if you travel for 15 kilometer, you have to pay rupees 155. So here also the same thing. What it will come? Fixed charge is x. 15 kilometer you have traveled means per kilometer is rupees 5. So for 15 kilometer it will become 15y. So x plus 15y is equal to 155. So, and last he asks, if the person travels 25 kilometer, what is the total amount to be given? So amount for distance of 25 kilometer will be x plus 25y. If you find out the value of x, if you find out the value of y, we will get what is the amount for distance of 25 kilometer. So I am going to take the first equation, x plus 10y is equal to 105. So x is equal to 105 minus 10y. This equation I am going to substitute, the value of x I am going to substitute in equation number 2. What is the equation number 2? X plus 15y is equal to 155. So x value what is? 105 minus 10y plus 15y is equal to 155. These are like terms. So first I will solve this. Plus sign is greater. So I will put plus 15y minus 10y is what it is? 5y. So 105 plus 5y is equal to 155. 105 I will take on the other side. So 5y is equal to 155 minus 105. So 5y is equal to 50. So y is equal to 50 by 5. If cancelling, I got it as 10. And now I will take this x value and substitute the value of y. So x is equal to 105 minus 10y. X is equal to 105 minus y value is 10. 10 into 10. 105 minus 100 is equal to 5. That means the fixed charge is rupees 5 and charge per kilometer is rupees 10. Now he tells how much distance that person is traveling, 25 kilometer. For that we will find out what is the amount. So x plus 25 is equal to x value is 5. Plus 25 into 5 into 10, sorry, it will become 250. 5 plus 250 is equal to rupees 255. So a person has to pay rupees 255 for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers. So you understood this question. So you have to read the question and understand it. I will stop here, children, because these are the verbal problems. If I give together all the verbal problems, you will get confused. So 3 verbal problems I have solved. Go through that verbal problems. If any doubt is there, mark it. You know already that we have interaction class. In that interaction class you can ask. So I stop here. So bye children. Thank you children.